Hello friends, how are you again? Today we're gonna do another mechanical engineering license exam reviewer. Topic is on machine design and the minimum clearance for meshing spur gears. So we have a problem here. And remember, if you have a problem, we have a solution. So the problem is the minimum clearance allowed for meshing spur gears with a circular pitch of 0.1571 and diametral pitch of 20. The spur gear has 25 teeth. Okay. So here's the given. We are given meshing spur gears, 0.1571 circular pitch, 20 diametral pitch, and 25 is the number of teeth. Now we are required to determine the minimum clearance for meshing spur gears. So before we go to the solution, I'd like to invite you to subscribe, like, and share. Here's my channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. Share to your friends the knowledge. And then it's a quick way to do for you. A little click on the subscribe button, but it will show your great support for my channel. Okay, thank you. And we're back to the solution. And so the minimum clearance formula is the ratio of the circular pitch divided by diametral pitch. So in formula form, C is equal to PC over PD. Now the circular pitch and the diametral pitch are already given, so we just directly substitute it to the formula. Now note that the 25 number of teeth is an extra information. We don't really need it in this calculation, since we can calculate the clearance by just dividing the circular pitch by the diametral pitch. So substituting, we've got C is equal to PC over PD, circular pitch over diametral pitch, 0.1571 divided by 20, we got 0.007855. That's the minimum clearance. Okay, pretty straightforward for this one, direct substitution. I hope you learned something out of this. I hope I help you. And please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Alright, thank you and have a good one. Cheers.